Hi, Mike's Carburetor Parts here to demonstrate the contents of this carburetor kit. This is our kit number K4330, which fits the SU type of carburetors, and comes with an instruction sheet with an exploded view, some illustrated instructions. You got a couple of different sheets here depending on this one says HS and the other is model HIF. Comes with a Viton tip, needle and seat, flange gaskets, and little rubber ring for the cover plate, and this for the float bowl here. I'm not sure what all some of these are, but here's the various gaskets and small parts. I'm going to get them all over here so you can see what's included in here. Anyhow, this is for almost all of the SU carburetors, AOD or AUD numbers I think they are. Anyway, match up your carburetor number with what's on the list. You can get this carburetor kit at mikescarb.com. We appreciate your business. Thank you for watching.